Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating a small little 36-inch turntable here. It's made by Nedco, a prominent conveyor manufacturer in New Jersey. Has an open style frame, adjustable legs. As you can see, it's driven by a 1.6 horsepower Dayton motor, 90 volt DC, variable speed of course. Operates on 120 volt. Uses a heavy caster inside there to support the table. Has the aluminum piece you see underneath has been reversed. It was used to connect to a conveyor, help stabilize the table. That'll be on there. We have lots of accumulators in our stock, rotary, random, linear, as well as everything else in process and packaging. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.